Okay, the previous article, previous video, we created the function get order info, and we saw that it's a multiline function, and it accepts a parameter called order number. So based on the passed in order number, it will query the sales table to get the order information. So first the records are filtered based on the passed in order number. Then from the retrieved data, the informations are packed and returned. Okay. Now first let me select the sales by filtering the order number P3087A. So here is the result. You see the result. The records are filtered based on the order number. So there are 4 titles placed on this order, and their quantities are displayed here, and all the orders are processed by the store represented by the store ID 7131. So now if I execute the procedure, it will display the store ID, store name, then title name, then how many quantity purchased, and how much total quantity sold so far for this particular title, then for this title, then for this, like that it will goes on. Okay. So here I am executing the multiline table value function. The syntax is already discussed in the video. The syntax is same as of executing the inline table value function. So whenever a function returns a table, the function is called from the place where table is required. See here in the syntax, select star from, actually table is required here. Instead of the table, I am just making call to the function, as I know that this will return a table. Okay, here I am making the call dbview dot get order info, and I am passing the order number P3087A, and we know that the function internally picks up store ID, quantity, and title ID through a cursor. Then from the store ID it will return the store name from stores table. From title ID it returns the title name from the titles table. Then from the cursor itself it picks the quantity. Then the function writes here. Okay, then the function uses the aggregate to get the quantity. Okay, now let us execute this function. So the function is executed, and if you see, we got the store name. The store name belongs to documart, and these are all the 4 titles. And if you see, here is the quantity, and total quantity also displayed here. And if you see, there is no change on all the quantity. That means in the table, sales table, only these store name sold this many quantity, and this is the only sales made so far. So we will execute one more statement. Okay. PS2091, and the order belongs to okay, let me take this one as example, D4482. I wrongly passed the title ID here. Order number I passed the title ID, that may be wrong. Here I have to pass the order number D4482. Okay, first we will see there may be only one record here, but if you see this title ID is sold by some other order also. I can write one more query to see how many other orders are selling that particular title ID. If you see here, this particular title ID, there are different stores which is selling that title ID based on different order numbers. So the next statement I am going to execute the function for order number D4482. So if you see D4482 order number is here. So ultimately our cursor will have only this particular column. So it takes the store ID and the title ID, store name and the title name is retrieved from these two, and the quantity is displayed at 10, and total quantity, if you see, this will be summed up and that will get displayed. Okay, let's examine this. You see, quantity is 10 and total sold is 108. That means the aggregate is employed here. So such kind of useful information you can retrieve based on a multi-line table valued functions. So this is just an example written here. I hope this will help you in writing a more robust function. And one more point I want to specify here is the function is written for a demonstration purpose only, so there is no validation on that function. So when you are writing, you have to handle all the validations. That's all in this video. I'm closing it for now.